Hey everyone, welcome to Solution Lab, where we simplify the complex world of finance and investing. You know, for years I've been talking about real estate, investing in index funds and building long-term wealth, but I get it, crypto is on fire right now. It's exciting, it's volatile, and everyone's trying to figure out if it's the future of money. So if you're new to crypto and feeling overwhelmed, trust me, you're not alone. This video is for you. We're going step by step through how to start investing in crypto safely and smartly. No confusing jargon, just the essential information you need to get started. Before we jump in, do me a quick favor and smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos where we break down even more financial topics. Now let's dive into the world of crypto. First things first, what exactly is cryptocurrency? You hear it everywhere, but what does it actually mean? Simply put, crypto is a digital currency that uses something called blockchain technology to ensure secure transactions. Now, if you don't know what a blockchain is, don't worry, I've got you covered. I did a whole video on it. You can check it out up here. But for now, let's stick with the basics. Think of crypto like digital money, but here's the catch. It's decentralized. That means no banks or governments control it. It's all powered by a network of computers around the world. Pretty cool, right? Now you've probably heard of the big players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. These are some of the most popular cryptocurrencies out there. But here's the thing, there are thousands of cryptos out there, each with its own unique features and potential. That's why research is key. Don't just jump into something because you heard it from a friend or saw it trending online. Do your own due diligence. So, you know what crypto is, but why should you even consider investing in it? Well, let's talk potential. One word: returns. Crypto has the potential for incredibly high returns. Just look at Bitcoin. In 2010, one Bitcoin was worth less than $1. Today, it's worth thousands. That kind of growth is unheard of in traditional markets, but it's not just about getting rich quick. Crypto can also be a way to diversify your portfolio. You see, traditional investments like stocks and bonds can be influenced by things like government policies and economic downturns. Crypto, on the other hand, marches to the beat of its own drum. But, and this is a big but, remember this, with high potential rewards come high risks. Crypto prices are highly volatile. They can go up just as fast as they can go down. And trust me, they will go down. It's a roller coaster ride. That's why it's crucial to only invest what you're prepared to lose. Don't put your rent money or your emergency fund into crypto. Be smart, be strategic, and never invest more than you can afford to say goodbye to. Okay, so you're ready to dip your toes into the crypto waters. Here's the thing. You wouldn't jump into the ocean without checking the tide, the current, or if there are any sharks, right? The same goes for crypto. Before you even think about buying your first Bitcoin, you need a plan. Step 1, set a budget. And I mean a real budget, not just some loose change you found between the couch cushions. Decide how much you're comfortable investing, and remember, start small, especially if you're a beginner. There's no rush. Next up, research. Remember all those thousands of cryptos I mentioned? Yeah, you're going to want to get to know them. Learn about the top cryptocurrencies, what problems they're trying to solve, the team behind them, and their overall track record. Knowledge is power, especially in the crypto world. Finally, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to manage your risk. This way, if one crypto takes a hit, you won't lose everything. It's all about balance, my friends. Alright, you've got your plan in place, you've done your research, now it's time to buy some crypto. But where do you even buy it? That's where crypto exchanges come in. These are online platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Think of them like stock exchanges, but for crypto. Some of the most popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Each exchange has its own pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that's right for you. When choosing an exchange, consider these factors: user-friendliness, security features, fees, because everyone loves fees, right? And the available cryptocurrencies. Some exchanges offer a wider variety of cryptos than others. Once you've chosen your exchange, it's time to create an account. This usually involves verifying your identity, which is standard procedure in the financial world. They need to know you're a real person. And that's it, you're ready to start buying crypto. Congratulations, you've officially bought your first cryptocurrency. You're now a crypto investor. But hold your horses, the journey's not over yet. Now you've got to keep your digital gold safe. And trust me, this is crucial. You wouldn't leave a pile of cash lying around in your house, would you? The same goes for crypto. So how do you keep it safe? You've got a couple of options. First up, we've got hot wallets. These are online wallets that are usually linked to your exchange or a mobile app. They're convenient for sure, but they're also more vulnerable to hacking. That's why many experienced investors opt for cold wallets. These are offline wallets like hardware wallets that offer the highest level of security. They're not connected to the internet, which makes them much harder for hackers to access. If you're holding a significant amount of crypto, a cold wallet is the way to go. It's like keeping your crypto in a Fort Knox-level vault. Here's the thing about investing, it's not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. You can't just buy your crypto and then disappear for a year and hope for the best. You've got to stay informed and be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed. The crypto market is like a living, breathing organism. It's constantly changing. That's why it's essential to keep an eye on the market, set price alerts, and stay updated on any news or events that could impact your investments. There are tons of resources out there, from crypto news websites to Twitter accounts to podcasts. Find what works for you and stay in the loop. But here's a word of caution. Don't obsess over daily price swings. The crypto market is volatile, remember? It's going to go up, it's going to go down. That's just the nature of the beast. Don't panic sell every time your favorite crypto dips a few percentage points. Remember, you're in it for the long haul. It's a marathon, not a sprint. The world of crypto is full of opportunities, but it's also littered with pitfalls, and trust me, you don't want to fall into these traps. So, let's talk about some common mistakes that beginners make and how you can avoid them. First up, we've got FOMO, or the fear of missing out. This is a big one, especially in the crypto world. You see a coin pumping, everyone's talking about it, and you feel like you need to get in on the action before it's too late. But here's the thing. Never invest based on hype alone. Always do your own research, no matter how promising something sounds. Next up, we've got security, or lack thereof. Remember how we talked about keeping your crypto safe? Yeah, this is where it comes back to bite you. Many people make the mistake of not securing their wallets properly. Use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. And finally, the granddaddy of all investing mistakes, over-investing. This applies to any investment, not just crypto. Never, ever invest more than you can afford to lose. This is non-negotiable. So, there you have it, a beginner's guide to investing in cryptocurrency. Now, I know what you're thinking. That was a lot of information, and you're right, it was. But here's the thing about investing. It's a lifelong journey of learning and growing. Don't be afraid to start small, make mistakes, and learn from them. The most important thing is to start. The crypto world is waiting for you. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I'm constantly putting out new content about real estate, investing, personal finance, and of course, cryptocurrency. Now I want to hear from you. What crypto are you most excited to explore? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy investing. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I hope you learned a ton about investing in crypto. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of finance. If you're ready to take your investing journey to the next level, be sure to check out my other videos where I cover everything from real estate to index funds to building long-term wealth. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I'm constantly putting out new content to help you achieve financial freedom.